Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Apple Intelligence and granting mail access so the system can analyze context. This is essential because suggestions rely on permissions. Once done, open Mail and tap Compose to trigger Smart Compose and Subject suggestions. You'll immediately see inline completions and recipient recommendations. Make sure you've allowed contacts and calendars so recipient names and times populate accurately. You're now ready to begin composing with live, privacy-preserving suggestions that speed drafting without manual searching. You'll notice gray inline text as you type. Accept it with Tab or a tap to save time, and edit to match your tone because personalization improves future suggestions. Once you have a rough note, invoke Draft Assist to expand it into a structured email or ask for a concise summary of a long thread. This helps when you're under time pressure. Also use recipient and schedule suggestions to autofill meeting times and professional salutations, which reduces back and forth and keeps messages consistent. Before sending, review all AI-inserted content for factual accuracy and privacy because automated text can hallucinate details. Edit names, times, and attachments as needed. Once satisfied, send the message and note how Apple Intelligence adapts. If suggestions disappear, toggle Apple Intelligence or restart Mail to reset the model's local cache. This usually restores behavior. If problems continue, revoke and regrant mail permissions or clear mail cache to fix sync or privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.